of crops do you just like grow them or do you sell them?
I grow and sell. I do both
Oh,
because my father is farmer, so that's
nice.
why I help him in farming.
Nice. So it's like a family business.
Yeah, it's a family business because in India, uh, cultivation, I think so 58% people depends on agriculture.
Nice. Yeah.
You can say it's my profession.
Cool. So it's like a big industry in India,
Yeah,
agriculture. Ah, nice. So tell me a bit about your life, your routines and whatnot.
actually, I have completed a Master of Arts in English.
Nice.
So I fumble while speaking sometimes. So I decided to join Cambly because by joining Cambly, uh, I thought that it may boost my confidence and
Yeah.
speaking level and confidence
Yeah.
level. So I started, and I really enjoy talking with native speaker, and it is feels very good when we understand the other state accents.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it definitely helps learning other people's accents. Yeah.
Yeah.
It helped me teaching as well because that way I learned to understand lots of foreign accents and now I am traveling Asia, so it's easier for me now to speak to locals when they speak English.
Yeah, so I think Ben Twitter is very good, and you always try to talk with new people, new culture, and you know new regions as well, which is very interesting things. If
Yeah.
we do like this job, yeah.
Yeah. So what part of India do you live in or are you from?
Uh, I am from Uttar Pradesh. It is situated in northern part of India.
Nice. Northern part. Is it hot or cold there at the moment?
At this moment, winter season is here, so it's a cold weather right now.
Right. Yeah, I am in south of Vietnam at the moment, so it's very hot. And I just spent 3 months in Bali, which was even hotter.
Yeah, I just heard about Bali. So, what do you do for fun if you don't teach on Cambly?
What do I do? Well, at the minute, I'm traveling with friends. So if we are in, like when we were in Bali, we would go to the beach. We go out to eat a lot, go out drinking with friends. Um, we had a lot of like adventure day outs as well, where you can go see like waterfalls, um, swim with the turtles, like lots of fun things to do with nature.
Uh,
Um,
you do fun with your friend in like when you be in nature. That's very interesting.
yeah, it's really fun. Yeah, I think we love seeing like nature that we are not used to seeing in Europe because nature in Europe is very different to like a very tropical climate like Bali, which has like volcanoes and everything. So it's nice to see something different. Europe is very
Yeah,
different.
but for being relaxed, I think Bali is very good country because there is a lot of beach and greenery,
Yeah,
and people can find themselves among the nature thoroughly if they go
yeah,
Bali.
yeah. And but there's also like really busy spots as well, which is nice because you have like the nightlife, the social life, and then you can just drive an hour down the road and like see a volcano. So it's like quite different. It's very funny. Definitely not what I'm used to. But right now I'm in Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam, and this is like big city. this is more familiar, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm used to the cities. I used to live in London, so it's super populated.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Do you live in a busy area?
No, I live in very cool and very well situated area where is very less population. You
That's nice.
can feel very fresh air there, and it's a very good situation where we live because there is a lot of fields, farm where people cultivate their crop,
Yeah.
and if you want to walk, then there is a lot of things
Yeah.
where you will feel very calm situation.
Yeah,
I
nice.
say.
That's good. That's
Yeah,
lovely.
so very I really love to be in like this region.
Nice. And what do you like to do for fun there?
Uh, by the way, I don't have much time for fun, but
Really?
absolutely uh, nowadays people engage with being on their mobile and YouTube, and
Yeah.
they see some web series, movies. But I think for fun, we should go with my friends. So I go with my friends and I do a lot of gossip there, and we make a laugh to each other, and we really enjoy. And after that, for fun, I think I do just I do just like these things,
Yeah.
and for being relaxed, we do little bit workout, and we scroll with my friends on the road. Yeah, I do like these things.
So a bit of everything.
Yeah,
Nice. You sound like a busy guy.
yeah, you can say because if you be adult that time, I think we don't have much time for
Right.
fun.
So you
Uh,
spend most of your time working,
Studying, I think I can say I work
studying.
in field, and after that, whenever I get time, I just try to find some vocabularies and some interesting news for general knowledge.
Yeah.
And yeah, in this age, I think we don't get much time for fun.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Cool. And do you live with your family?
Yeah, I live with my family.
Oh, who do you live with?
I live with my mother, father, and uncle.
Oh, and your uncle. Do you have siblings?
Yeah, I have two sisters and I have a brother, but I am
Nice.
younger one.
Oh, you're the youngest?
Yeah,
Oh, so are you like the last one to move out?
yeah, really. Because being younger, family love me a lot, and
Yeah,
I really enjoy everything. So they don't interrupt me. Whatever I am doing, I am not doing, and I have no burden of doing lots of things. I just do whatever I want to do,
good.
and I feel really lucky being youngest. Yeah.
Being your youngest. Yeah, I'm also the youngest from my brothers, but
So, how many sisters and brothers do you have?
no sisters, just two older brothers. But
Oh,
they are almost 30 now, so they are a lot older. Yeah. I haven't lived with them for like over 10 years. They moved out a long time ago.
okay. So, I I just want to know you can understand my English better or not?
Yes, not everything, but most things I can understand. But I won't lie. I think for me, Indian accent is the hardest to understand.
Really?
Yeah, it's just very strong. Like your English is good, but you just have a very strong accent.
Yeah, everyone like to be a native speaker, but as my perspective, I just want to be Indian accent.
Yeah,
Uh,
of course.
I like our accent.
You like all the accents.
Yeah, Indian accent is enough for me, I think.
Good. No, it's like like the Scottish accent or the Irish accent, that's also very strong, so it's not always easy to understand.
Yeah, but on the Cambly app, we can find every accent, and
Yeah,
it's very interesting to understand every accent. So
yeah,
yeah, it's very. Sometimes it feels very hard to understand,
yeah,
but if we keep trying, then everything is possible.
yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah. Well, I have been learning accents a lot over the past few months. I've been teaching on Cambly. Um, so it's getting easier, but sometimes it's not always clear, but it's okay. That's why I have headphones.
Yeah, so did you ever find that the people in front of you speaking English and you don't get his accent?
Well, I just usually ask them to repeat some things if I don't understand what they're saying.
Yeah, so you don't face any impediment while talking with any stranger.
What, like embarrassment?
Not embarrassment, but if you find it's not easy to understand what he is saying, that's why I asked.
I just ask them to speak slowly.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's usually okay though. Or I will help
okay.
them pronunciate things.
Yeah, mostly people stuck in pronunciation. Otherwise, they do everything in English, I think.
Yeah, exactly. We're just about out of time, but it was really nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here.
Good. And yeah, keep practicing. And I hope you have a lovely weekend.
Bye.
Thank you. See you later.